Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to Dr. Zakhairi. Today I would like to demonstrate to you how I simulate for part 1 out of 5 parts of our lab session. And here I'm using MicroVision 4 for coding as well as Proteus for implement the project. Okay, first of all, what I do is basically I create a new project. Alright, okay, I specify the name of the project. For example, I put example 1. Alright, and select the directory of the project here. Okay, this folder. Okay, next. Alright, so we take the schematic from the selected template. Okay, create the schematic using a landscape A4. Next, here we select do not create a PCB layout because we only want to simulate using schematic only. Next, no firmware project. Okay, next, this is summary for our project. Finish. Alright, here the blank project. Alright, basically we need to put everything for the part 1, which is on and off LED with 0.5 second time delay. Alright, basically we need to place all the component that we need. Okay, but here only the example. I will close this and open my actual project. Alright, for part 1 out of 5 parts, this is the project that I already did. Okay, alright, this is the construction for part 1 using microcontroller unit 851 with its basics configuration, the reset buttons, the oscillator, LED switch, as well as oscilloscope, because we want to measure the time delay for the LED on and off. Basically, this part, our objective is to play around with the LED and switch with 0.5 second time delay. Alright, we go to the source code. Okay, here is the basic coding. As you can see, include reg51.h, which is its header. We need it to as a driver for our MCU, and we declare switch 1 to port 1 pin 0, LED 1 port 1 pin 7. Okay, using S-bit. Okay, this is the program function prototype for our delay. Okay, over here we using this number 123 to specify it become 1 millisecond per instruction. Okay, so we need 500 over here, so it will loop for 500 times 1 millisecond for each instruction. Okay, alright, after that, for this part we need to save it as hex file in order to run it in 851. Okay, over here the oscillator. Okay, the frequency is 11.0592 megahertz using on-chip ROM. Okay, and this is name of executable, which is part 1 of this is my name, Hakim Adam, and for last digit of my ID number. Okay, so we create hex file, and okay, so basically after this we build and refer to this build output, which is if any error or warning, we need to look it for repair the source code. Okay, after that we open our Proteus project and double click at 85.1 MCU, and here we put hex file, okay, that we saved before. Alright, okay, this one clock frequency, it should be 11.0592 megahertz, but I accidentally put 12 because in this coding 1 2 3 is referred to 12 megahertz. So let's see the result. Okay, you need to run the program. Okay, and then click on the switch. So it will be blinking one time with 0.5 second of on and off delay. Okay, now we need to measure which if this delay is correct or not. Okay, we open with pull down menu, debug, digital oscilloscope. Okay, alright, we off all the channel except for channel A because we only using for channel A only, and adjust the position. Alright, 0, and toggle it to DC because this is active low LED, so when we push the button it will go to the negative voltage. Okay, so we need to adjust more to see it more clearly. Alright, okay, so we push the button again. Alright, this is the time delay, 0.5 second on and off. Alright, we pause for a second and we check whether it delay is correct or not. We use cursor. Alright, zoom for a bit. From negative 1.35 to 8.52. Alright. Okay. 1.35 second minus 8.52 minus 852.50 milli, and we get approximately 0.4975, which is 0.5 second. Okay, so the time delay is correct with slightly different 0.01 only. Okay, we do it again. We push the button and it will blink because it set up to the active low LED setup. Okay, alright, so finish for part 1. Okay, basically we already achieved the objective, which is to create LED on and off with 0.5 time delay. Alright.